afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Good
afternoon.
morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
okay, yesterday's concept is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Both things clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now next.
Ma'am, present perfect tense.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Continuous
Present
tense.
perfect tense. Ma'am, today we will continue present perfect tense.
Present perfect tense. Okay. This exercise F you have written.
Yes, ma'am. In copy I have written.
Yes, ma'am. In copy, I have also written.
Okay.
Ma'am, in book I am
Ma'am,
written, not in
exercise
copy.
5, exercise F, I have written in copy.
Okay. Now, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Okay. See, when we use present perfect tense, when we use present.
Yes.
Hello.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the present perfect tense is the tense which is about an action that is just over.
Okay. Yes. That has been just. Oh.
Over.
Yes. Okay. Just a minute. Let me.
This picture always follows.
Ma'am. Ma'am, the present perfect tense talk about an act. Where is ma'am?
Yeah, I'm here. You can see. There was some problem in Bluetooth. Okay? Means action has been just completed. Good afternoon. Now don't disturb me. Okay, page
Action that
number
is just over.
yes, page number 32. Open in your book, all of
Ma'am,
you.
page number 22. Yes, ma'am, I have opened already.
See, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used when we are talking about an action that began in the past and has just been completed. जो वो उस एक्शन के बारे में बताता है जो पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ था बट जस्ट हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड बट अभी वो कंप्लीट जस्ट अभी वो कंप्लीट हुआ है ठीक है फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव फिनिश्ड राइटिंग द रिपोर्ट ऑन द एक्सीडेंट आई हैव फिनिश्ड मैंने एक्सीडेंट जो रिपोर्ट में जो लिख रहा था वो मैं फिनिश कर चुका हूँ. इन हिंदी यू आर सेइंग ना, कर चुका हूँ, कर चुकी हूँ, कर चुके हैं ना, मीन्स ये काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, then we are talking about an action that took place in the past but whose effect can be felt at that moment of speaking. उस एक्शन को शो करता है जो उस पास्ट में मीन्स बिफोर सम टाइम इट बिगेन बट अभी भी उसका हम क्या देख सकते हैं, प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी हमें उसका इफेक्ट देखने को मिल सकता है. ठीक है, क्लियर? तो क्या लिखेंगे, लिखिए. आई एम डिक्टेटिंग यू ऑल राइट. नंबर पॉइंट वाइज लिखिए. वी आर पॉइंट वन. You can make a point symbol. Firstly, put heading present perfect tense. Then start writing. We are talking about an action that began. An action that began, B-E-G-A-N, began in the,
Ma'am, it is written in book.
yeah, it is written in book also. You all can watch the board very properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am, done.
okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, okay. Let others do.
Ma'am, done.
गंदी गंदी हैंड
Ma'am, one more example. I have eaten my breakfast already.
What, beta?
Ma'am, one more example of present perfect tense. I have already. Ma'am, I have.
Examples also. Okay,
Okay,
like
ma'am.
this. For example, I have finished my homework. Now I have not read the book yet. Okay. Now put heading structure. 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 Okay. Structure. Firstly, positive. What is the structure of the present perfect tense? Positive. C. Singular. Singular. Positive singular. क्या लिखते हैं? What is the structure? Subject plus has plus V3 verb third form plus object. Okay? Subject plus has plus verb third form plus object. Okay? जैसे he has done his work. He has finished his homework. हाँ, next. He has finished his homework. Okay? He has done his homework. Okay? Plural. Plural में क्या लिखते हैं? What is the structure of plural? Subject plus have plus V3 verb third form plus object. Okay? Singular, but what is the difference between singular and plural? In singular we are using has, in plural we are using have. We have finished, we have done our homework. Okay? Now, negative. What will be the structure of negative? क्या लगाएंगे negative के लिए? Anybody can tell me? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, have. Ma'am, have not, has not.
Yes, have not, has not. Yes, very good. Singular. Singular. Subject plus has plus not plus V3 verb third form plus object. Now, देखिए he has not done his homework. Then plural, subject plus
Have not.
have. Yes, very good. Have not plus B3 plus object. B3 means verb third form. Okay? We have not done our homework. Clear?
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Now, interrogative. Put having interrogative. सिंगुलर क्या बताया था कल इंट्रोगेटिव के लिए व्हाट आर योर थॉट
Have and has.
यस हैव हैज वेयर
Ma'am, have and has.
हाँ वेयर हैव एंड हैज
Ma'am, have an S.
हाँ वेयर चल कैसे बनाएंगे हाउ यू विल मेक इंट्रोगेटिव
Ma'am, we have not done our homework. They have not done our homework. I have not eaten my
नहीं.
breakfast.
that is negative na beta that is not interrogative that if you are using y na then it will become w expression
Ma'am, have
Ma'am,
you
we
done
have
your
done
homework?
Have you done our homework?
yes very
We've
good
done our homework.
very good क्या बताया था कल जो हेल्पिंग
Homework.
देंगे पहले तो यहाँ हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है हैज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस B3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट हैज
You.
done his question mark ना that I have told you ना helping verb क्या है has have plural
Yes, ma'am.
plural have plus subject plus B3 plus object
Have he done his homework?
have he
Have he done his homework?
his लिखेंगे कि आर लिखेंगे V का पॉजिटिव क्या होता है व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव ऑफ V आर his is for the he have we done our homework have we done our homework ओके फिर क्या बताते हैं WH बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे WH question this interrogative is giving the answer in yes or no form if you want to WH question क्या लगा देंगे why have you done your homework why has he done his homework when has he done his homework where has he done his homework with whose help has he done his homework? Like this you can make WH question. Okay? Clear हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? तुम्हें
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
समझ आ
Yes,
रहा है?
ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
come to the exercise. Come to the exercise. Page number 32.
Exercise number G.
Exercise number yes G. Come to the exercise G.
Okay.
This is done. This is done. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now G. Exercise A. Firstly do in book, then do in copy. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. C. View this book. Question mark. Question mark. Have you read this book? Have you read this book? No. I
Have bought.
Yes, I have bought. I have bought. I have bought it just now. I decide. I decide.
Ma'am,
Have decided हो जाएगा. Have decided.
I have decided. Yes, I have decided.
yes, ma'am.
All form. To read such biographies because the book on Nehru ji, the book on Nehru ji inspired me.
Have
Salman.
inspired. Has inspired.
Have inspired.
Inspired. Has inspired. Third form. What the third form? Has inspired me to change my life. I give up spending money on unnecessary things.
Ma'am,
I have
given up
Yes,
spending.
I have given up spending money on unnecessary
Unnecessary things.
and involve myself in various social works. And
Have involved. And have
have
involved.
involved. Yes, and have involved. Have involved in various social works which the neighborhood organizations begin.
Have begun.
Have begun.
Have begun.
Has begun.
Have begun.
Have begun.
Begun. Begun. G-U-N. देखिए begin, began, begun. Third form, na? This is verb
Yes,
first form, second form, and this is verb third.
Third form. Ma'am, third
Okay,
form
so
is-
you have to write begun.
yes, ma'am.
Now, next. I hope I make some difference to the lives of those who are not as fortunate as I am.
Ma'am, I have make. Ma'am, I have make.
Ma'am, I have
I
made.
have make some difference.
Make. I have made.
I have
I
made.
have. क्या था make होता है? क्या था make का third form? What is the third form of make? Made. I have made. Made. Who is saying made? तुम तो कुछ बोलते ही नहीं हो. I have made. Okay? Now, exercise G. Sorry, H. Come to exercise H. H. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the verb in the bracket and just already yet. Okay, now start doing it. Tell me, who will tell me? Don't worry about.
Ordered.
Don't worry about.
Ordered.
I
Ma'am, I have just ordered.
Yes, I
I
have
have
just
just ordered.
Order a pizza.
Ordered.
yes,
Ordered.
I have just
Ordered.
Ordered.
ordered. Third form. I have just ordered a pizza. Pizza. Number 2.
Ma'am, I have
I-
no work on the weekends
I have
as I
already
have
submitted the
also
assignment.
the assessment.
I have already submitted.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Have
I
already
will.
submitted.
I will have no work on the weekends as I have already submitted the assignment. I have already submitted the assignment. Be careful about the spellings. Be careful about the spellings. The pizza delivery yet not called.
Has
The
not
pizza
called yet. Has not
Ma'am, the pizza
called
delivery
yet.
have yet not called.
Yes,
Have not
has
called
not called yet. Has not called yet. Where are you? The guest has
Have
already
already
Ma'am, I
arrived.
have already give.
arrived. Have already
Already
arrived. Number 5.
I have just met. I have just
I and have friends outside the mall. I have just met. I have just met. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now come to I. Read the answers and frame questions based on them using present perfect tense. चलिए answers are given. You have to frame the questions which will be relevant to that answers. Okay?
Ma'am, exercise number H also write in copy.
Yes, all exercises you have to write in copy. The train has not arrived yet. चलिए make question. What will be the question of this?
Has the train arrived yet?
Has the train arrived only, not yet. I. Has the train arrived? Has the train arrived? Now, number 2. No, I have not joined any course for improving my French. Make question.
Have you
Make
joined
question.
any course? Have you joined any course for improving your French?
Yes. Have you
Joined any course?
Ma'am, have you joined any course for improving my French?
have you tried any course for improving your French? For improving your French. Have you joined any course for improving your French? Question mark should be there at the last of the sentence. Okay. Now next. No, Simi has never been to London. No. Tell. Anybody tell? Natik. नेवर नहीं ना नेवर को उल्टा लगाएंगे has Simi ever been to London? Now you have to write the opposite of never. Never opposite क्या होता है? Ever. क्या कभी गई सिमी लंदन गई है? नो सिमी हैज नेवर बीन टू लंदन. Now 4 number. Yes, they have already booked the tickets for the movie. Make Natik tell. Have you is given there. Yes. Have they
Already.
booked the tickets for the movie? Have they already booked the tickets for the movie? Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now
Has
last one.
Ajay sent any reply to the bank yet?
Make anyone? Shadman tell.
Has
Ajay sent any reply to the bank?
हाँ क्या लगाएंगे? अजय सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. What will be there?
Ma'am, has.
Yes. हाँ Ajay sent any reply to the bank? Has Ajay sent any reply to the bank? Has Ajay sent नहीं any is not given ना, don't write any. Has Ajay sent, अरे sorry लिखा था any reply. Has Ajay sent any reply to the bank?
exercise G and H we have to write in copy.
All exercises right in copy. The bell has not come. Time is over.
Ma'am, please type.
Now, you all do all these exercises in your copy. Now, whatever
Which
I
side?
GHI, all do in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Done? This has been done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Any problem? If you have any problem, you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay? You drop message in the WhatsApp. And your whole work should be completed in copy. Those who are not making proper copy, they will not get copy maintenance marks. Okay? So complete your copy and send for checking. Now your time is over. I am winding up the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.